The UC Merced Library has many eBooks. In order to access eBooks, you need to be either on campus or connected to the VPN. Make sure that you're connected before you try to access eBooks. This tutorial will show you two ways to find eBooks. The first way is to click on the Melvyl tab in the top right corner of the library's homepage. Then enter in your search terms. To see eBooks available at UC Merced, click UC Merced Library on the left. Then select eBook. Click Access Online to read the book. Some eBooks require a login. If you're prompted to enter a login to access eBooks from EBL, use your UCMnet ID and password. Your UCMnet ID is the first part of your campus email address. The second way to find eBooks is to click Databases in the top right on the library's homepage. Select See All Databases. Click the drop-down under All Database Types and select eBooks. These are databases that include eBooks. Search in them to find eBooks.